Hello, I'm here to talk about our product or innovation, that is customizable miniature wire electric discharge machine. I'm Makarand and I'm working with Professor S.V. Kulkarni, Professor Suhas Joshi and Professor Bhairat at Indian Institute of Technology IIT Bombay, Mumbai. So what is this machine and why is it needed? The machines available in the market are usually large in size and they cost a lot of money. This cannot be afforded by small enterprises. Suppose a small enterprise wants to get a job done which is of the size of this mobile phone or even smaller. So they need a small machine, miniature machine, and they need the machine in the low cost. More so because they rely on WDM service shops which might be located away from their place. So the travel time and also the service shops are overloaded, so that adds up to the waiting time. Both of these will increase the total time to market of your part, so that is not advisable. Then there are research institutes which are working on different type of materials which are not metals, but they have different electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and some desirable properties which are not that of metals. So they check whether they can be machined with wire electric discharge machining to get advantage of the accuracy and precision of wire EDM. But the parameters of the commercial machines cannot be varied beyond a certain limit. So you have to operate in a limited parameter space. Also, they are made for metals, whereas you are trying to experiment with new materials. So there is a mismatch. The machine can malfunction if you try to change, say, the dielectric fluid or try to fit your bipolar pulse generator in place of the given unipolar pulse generator. Then the huge investment is at stake. So they are seeking for customizability, whereas small enterprises are seeking for low cost and miniature machine. Therefore, we have made this customizable miniature wire EDM or wire electric discharge machine, the photo of which you can see here. It can fit in a box of 4 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. The maximum travel distance of CNC is 5 centimeters, whereas the least count is 0.125 micrometers. Also, the ratings of the pulse generator are 200 volts, 20 amperes, and 10 kilohertz. It should be noted that you can vary the voltage anywhere from 0 volts to 200 volts, the current anywhere from 0 amperes to 20 amperes. This is unlike the ready-made machines right now available in the market where you have certain settings or certain steps only that you can take for the voltage and current settings. This is a small recording which shows operation of this machine. So you can see the user control via computer, then auxiliary power supply, controller, and the pulse generator. Here you can see the spark machining taking place of a silicon block where the silicon is being cut. Because silicon is a semiconductor and not metal, the customizability of this machine can be effectively utilized to seek the optimum set of parameters for silicon. So the machines available in the market are based on the philosophy that one size fits all, whereas this is a customizable miniature wire EDM machine. Typical cost involved in the commercial machines is 40 lakhs to 2 crores, whereas this machine can be made in 5 lakhs. Then they are made up for any job ranging from very small jobs to very large jobs or parts. Whereas this machine is typically useful for small 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter kind of jobs. Then usually the machines are large. They occupy a cube of 10 feet by 10 feet by 10 feet, whereas our machine can fit in a box of 4 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. And importantly, the commercial machines right now they need three-phase power supply, whereas our machine can run on a single-phase power supply, which is good for small enterprises. So basically, we are not based on one size fits fit all, but this is a customizable machine. Also, this can fit on a tabletop. Then it is affordable. It is a low-cost machine, and it can run on a single-phase power supply. The potential takers for this technology are small enterprises who manufacture small parts like plastic molds, watches, small medical equipment, then small engineering institutes who cannot afford large machines, and research institutes like BARC, BHEL, BEL, DRDO, ISRO, etc. want to have their own WADM setup in order to manufacture small parts so that they can use it quickly. So this is our technology and it is ready to be transferred to any potential industrial taker so that it can be used by the manufacturing fraternity effectively. Thank you.